For the past 4 years, the program has been incorporating social and emotional learning into 5 local districts. The data is in, and the program is working. Here to talk more about it is Dr. Patricia Gale Bray, Director of Bridge Up at Menninger Clinic. We also have Ryan Villarreal with KIP Connect, Mary Sutton, Director of Education and Community Engagement at the Alley Theater, as well as Juby Gonzalez, a 6th grader who has benefited from the program. My goodness, we have a full couch, and I'm so happy to talk to you about this. First of all, let's talk about the program. What is Bridge Up?
Well, first of all, thank you so much for asking us to be here. We're so delighted to be able to share our news. We have so much to talk about. The Bridge Up program is at the Menninger Clinic, and this is our 4th year. And it is a program that teaches social and emotional learning with nonprofits, working with area schools, and also probably the best part of it is that it helps to identify early on any behavioral health challenges that a student may have.
And I love it that the stats are out and it's making a difference. So you're seeing everything from discipline to difference in grades to difference in violence among kids. That's a big deal.
It is.
It's a game changer.
It is a game changer. And the research says that as you said, that it can social emotional learning can have such an impact on academics and socialization and emotional kinds of goal setting and interaction with other people and relationship development and on and on. And we've seen this with some of our grantees. We've had 32 grantees and 27,000 kids.
What's the difference at KIP Connect that you've seen?
You know, we're pushing into classrooms, and our grades are growing 15% higher than the state average on national tests. So
since you started the program?
Yes, ma'am.
That's huge.
And beyond academics, families are getting closer, teachers are becoming closer, and it's really a large conversation that we're all a part of.
Yeah. You're a part of this, so your grades went up because of the program. Tell me how you got involved and what a difference and how it made a difference in your life.
So this program has really helped me a lot, and it also helped me to be more patient and more understandable.
How does it work? How did it teach you to be that way?
It taught me by making me like school and making it more interesting.
So it sounds like it's really engaging students and changing some of those thoughts about school.
Yeah, so our program, we're using the arts to actually integrate with core curriculum, but we're also giving the students an opportunity to practice the social emotional learning. So what's implicit in the arts, we're making it explicit. So we actually work in math and science, and we create lesson plans that kids who normally struggle with sort of the normal traditional way to learn, we make it active and more engaging for them. And then they also learn the social emotional skills along with it.
For any school that's not involved, how do they become a part of this? How did you choose the schools to begin with?
That's a great question. We have a request for proposals because we also fund the entire program from the Menninger Clinic. And so you have to compete. You have to write a good proposal, and then we have an anonymous committee that reviews all the proposals and they choose for us.
I mean, it sounds like it's been a huge blessing for your school.
Absolutely. Not only our school, but our families and our Gulfton community.
Yeah. And again,
you can just see the joy on the kids' faces. I mean, you can just see their interaction at school grow, and their understanding of each other, and the teachers are also growing as they get new skills.
Juby, we've seen what a difference it's made with you, with your grades going up. Are you seeing a difference in some of your friends and then other kids at your school as well? What are some of the other differences you see?
So in some of my friends, it's also been the grades, and also they've been liking the school more and being more patient.
Well, that's huge. We know learning is a lot easier when you enjoy it. Thanks for sharing your story. Keep up the good work through Menninger. It's incredible. And I'm glad Alley Theater got on board.
Yeah, we're
excited.
excited.
I hope your school continues.